I don't know how well this is going to work, or if this is even going to work at all. But that's why you guys get a point and laugh and have fun. I hope you enjoy. I will apologize in advance. There might be some foul language. Ho hum, ho hum. Alright, I'll bring you back when we figure out why the feeder's not feeding. Problem with it not feeding, there's plenty of wire on there still. But my tensioner is not getting tight enough. I tightened it down all the way and couldn't figure out what the heck. So my wonderful neighbor said, shim it. So that's what I did. I grabbed some washers. See if we can get this thing to feed. Dumb question. Do I need to lube that guy at all? I know it's a cheapie, but it's what I got, man. You stop. I wasn't planning on welding this in either. This just, yeah. Yes, I did. Oh, yeah. Alright, that is totally not working. I'm doing something wrong. My mask is fogging up. And that looks like crap. I really debated literally all day at work on whether or not I was going to show this to you guys or not, because really the only way I can make it any uglier is by hanging a Honda badge on it. burned through there. That weld didn't stick. That weld didn't stick. That weld didn't stick. That one kind of stuck. That one didn't stick. Burn another hole through it there. And some of those stuck up there. So I'm probably not even going to weld the other side or even attempt to, because that did not at all turn out the way that I wanted it to. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, make fun, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys.